Hello, it's Leslie here. Today I thought I'd tell you a little bit of a story and teach you a few words in Russian. So when I went to Moscow in the year 2000, I didn't speak any Russian. I didn't have a smartphone. There was, no mobile internet. And got to the airport. There was a big queue at immigration, and I got to talking to some people, and they were actually English people from, well, England, and they had immigrated to Russia, and so anyway, I got to talking with them, and they gave me a lift to one of the stations outside the metro. So yeah, that was all fine. I was looking at all the signs on the way to the airport, and everything was great. Then all of a sudden, the trip ended, and I got standing in the street, and they basically gave me a crash course in Russian right then and there, and I started to not quite panic, but I started thinking, oh shit, I'm on my own now. So they're telling me a little bit about how the train works, and they could have done this during the journey, but anyway. So they said to me, for example, the announcement on the train will say, "Двери закрываются." That means doors closing. "Двери закрываются." And then they said to me, then the announcer will say something like "Следующая станция." Следующая станция. And that means next station. So in my case, I had to get off at, I can't remember whether it's Izmailovsky or Izmailovsky Park. All I remember is there was this big hotel that I had to go to. I think it was Izmailovsky Park Hotel. And I accidentally got off at Izmailovsky stop, because in those days I just realized that lately that the train station stops have seemed to change. Like I had a look at the modern metro map, and apparently the stations are different now. But anyway, so I got off at the wrong station, and I started to get culture shock, because I thought, where's the hotel? I'm supposed to, the hotel's supposed to be virtually visible here. There's no hotel. It doesn't look like I'm in the right place. So I ended up going up to someone, and I don't know how the hell I worked out that I had to go back one stop to Izmailovsky Park or something like that, or go another stop to Izmailovsky Park. But anyway, I started to not quite panic, but in a state of culture shock. And that's one of the reasons why I'm learning Russian today, so that I don't ever have to go through something like that again, because it was quite stressful. So I'm going to play a clip from the train station at the end of the video, and you can hear it, what it sounds like. Of course, it won't be, I couldn't find the one for Izmailovsky Park, so it'll be another station, but at least you'll be able to understand it. And so the other thing I should probably say is the word for, if you're watching this video, I only wanted to make a 5-minute video, Nowadays, there's actually English announcements on the train stations. But the way things are heading, I think they're going to remove those anytime soon. So it'll be back to the old way. And I'm pretty sure it'll be Russian only, because they're a bit fed up with the West. And so I think they're going to eventually realize, hang on, we're not getting any tourists. Why are we doing this in English? So it'll be... Oh. Yeah, my computer just blanked out, and yeah. Anyway, so they'll probably get rid of the announcements, and I should probably also say that the word for ticket in Russian is bilet, and one is adin. So you could say adin bilet, пожалуйста means please, or you could say десять билети. That means 10 tickets. I originally just said 10 билет, and that was enough, and I got 10 tickets. But anyway, so двери закрываются, следующая станция Измайловский парк. I'll say it again a few times. Двери закрываются, and they might say осторожно, that means be careful. Осторожно, двери закрываются, следующая станция Измайловский парк. And they might even say, dear passengers, уважаемые пассажиры, or something like that. And then they'll say, осторожно, двери закрываются, следующая станция Измайловский парk. And then you know that the next one is the right one. And I say that because when I was there, at least, they didn't have any English signs on the station, so you either have to read Cyrillic and work it out that you're at the right station, or somehow figure it out. So anyway, I'm going to play the clip at the end. So I'll do that now. So that's all I wanted to do today, just a couple of things, real short video. So saying, yeah, you can learn a bit of Russian in 5 minutes, it's possible. I'll say it one more time. Осторожно, двери закрываются, следующая станция Измайловский парк. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Осторожно. Двери закрываются. Следующая станция Маяковская.